Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I'll make this brief. Today we are taking my P365 out to the backup gun match. Actually a backup gun at the backup gun match, which is a little out of character for me. Yesterday had a video on how I built this thing, how I put it together. YouTube's backed off on some of their policies, but still kind of sketchy about what they're gonna jump on. So that video, the assembly video, is on Utreon and Floatplane for you guys. If you're interested, I'll have links to it in the description text below. But for now, let's get out to the range and do some shooting. Ready?
Stand by. Okay, range is safe.
This was a lot of shooting without actually getting a sight picture there.
That was
That guy's good.
well, both the perf on both of those.
Yep, they're both down.
He's super good.
Cool. All right, I just barely
Now I gotta figure out
cleaned it, I think.
Are you ready, sir?
Ready?
Stand by.
All right, moment of truth. That's good. That's good. Good. Good.
This looks good right here.
So far.
That was okay.
I got that one. This one was just low, so I dropped 2 points. 4 points. 4 points. I only brought a 10-round mag because I didn't expect longer stages in this match, which I suppose is like derp. I should have planned for contingencies, but I was able to borrow a 12-round mag from another competitor who also has a 365. So let's see what we can do here. Yep.
Stand by.
That was not good. You wouldn't think a bag of eggs swinging around would be that much impediment to your shooting, but it actually really is. So that's clean. I at least got the 3 poppers. That's clean. Clean. Clean.
That's a perf.
Clean. So I took forever to do it, but I at least cleaned the scores.
You ready, sir?
Yep.
Stand by.
I don't know that was quite fast enough, but it was decent.
8.
8?
8.
Five. You got 871, you got 841.
How on earth did I do
But
that?
Clean.
Clean.
Yeah, that's
It's all clean.
how was that faster?
I have no idea. Alrighty, a couple concluding thoughts on the P365. Overall, I really like it. It's very compact. I am pretty happy with my choice of a long slide but a short frame. That does make it really quite easy to conceal. However, the downside is it does make it a little harder to recover from shots, to make follow-up shots when you're actually shooting, because you really only have a 2-finger grip on this thing. So there are a couple ways that you can address that. One of them, of course, is to use a 12-round magazine with a extra finger pad on it. That gives you that full 3-finger grip. Definitely makes the gun more controllable, but then of course you do lose the concealability benefits of having the shorter grip. So that's kind of a toss-up. If you can conceal it well enough with the longer magazine, well, win-win. You have a better grip and you get a couple more rounds in it. Also, since the original assembly video was done, Wilson Combat has come out with a line of grip frames, both the short ones and the XL. I'm not sure if they have a macro one or not. They probably do, but I haven't gone and looked. I prefer this grip over the stock SIG grip. I didn't want to put it on there because the assembly video has me building it with this. I didn't get the Wilson Combat grip until after the fact, but big fan of the Wilson Combat grips. By the way, they didn't send this to me. They don't know that I'm filming it. They didn't give me anything. It's a nice grip frame compared to the SIG. It is a little bit wider, which is part of what gives it more control. It's got better checkering, more aggressive checkering on it. It is a more controllable grip frame to use, so that's definitely something to consider. In fact, I will probably be swapping that out for this once this video is concluded. Overall, didn't quite win the match, did quite well though, and pretty happy with the performance. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.